At the Trailblazer for Recycling and Clean Energy, we know that turning bold ideas into real-world impact takes more than vision. It takes access to the right tools. That's why we're building cutting-edge research, prototyping and manufacturing facilities right here at the University of Newcastle's NEAR precinct. These spaces are designed to help innovators move clean energy and circular economy technologies out of the lab and into market. Because access to specialised equipment isn't just helpful, it's essential. It enables rapid prototyping, real-world testing and technology refinement to build investor confidence and drive market readiness.
Welcome. I am Pierre Gouillet, leader of the TRaCE program here at the University of Newcastle. On behalf of the TRaCE team, including our collaborative partner, UNSW, I am delighted to be showcasing the modern manufacturing workshop and the advanced prototyping facility. Those spaces are not only infrastructure, they are an enabler. They are the key to technology transfer. They are a place where researchers and businesses will come together to build faster, fail smarter, and scale for impact.
In support of the commercialisation of recycling and clean energy technologies, and thanks to support from the Australian Government's Department of Education, the TRaCE initiative has established the Modern Manufacturing Workshop. This is a space where academics and industry partners can scale up innovation, from integrating new technologies into commercial designs to full deployment. Focused on pilot prototyping and specialty manufacturing, this is a launchpad for upscaling. And funded by the University of Newcastle's College of Engineering, Science and Environment, the Advanced Prototyping Facility. This is a central hub of state-of-the-art tools for high-end prototyping. This is where engineering, science, technology and business converge to develop next-generation manufacturing and to train the future workforce. These facilities are proudly delivered by the TRaCE initiative and integrated into the broader research collaboration precinct of NEAR.
Welcome to the Advanced Prototyping Facility. I am Debbie Delbridge, General Manager of the College of Engineering, Science and Environment. I am thrilled to showcase this college-led initiative, a state-of-the-art space designed to provide rapid prototyping solutions and manufacturing capabilities benefiting education, research and industry. With our leading-edge teaching and research, we offer sustainable and innovative educational approaches that encourage experimentation. This facility enables students, researchers and industry professionals to innovate, investigate and explore, transforming ideas into practical applications.
As these world-class facilities become fully operational, buzzing with researchers, innovators and industry leaders, this will become the launchpad for the true trailblazers of recycling and clean energy, working together to shape Australia's future as a clean energy superpower. Keen to find out more? Download the brochures by visiting trace.org.au and navigate into the Experts and Facilities page.